Alright, first YouTube video here, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how the hell you're going to clean this top, any top, either at a restaurant or at your house, and how we do it with industrial chemicals with no effort. Look brand new. Okay, so here we go. It's going to be a raw, uncut version of this video. Sounds crazy, right? I know, sexy. Anyhow, it's gonna take a few minutes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So here we go, man. Let me set this thing up here for you guys to see how and what I do. So, all right, there it is. So, first off, you're gonna need a couple things, man. You're gonna need water, okay? And your iron is gonna have to be hot. All right, your top, whatever. Okay, so right now it's currently on. We just got done for the day. I'll turn them all the way down. You don't have to, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna pour water on it. That's gonna essentially just get everything that's on the top right off. It's not gonna clean it all, you know, real nice and dandy, but it's gonna do a really good job of it. I'll have me another bucket of, 2 buckets of water ready to go. And this is going to be uncut, man. The way that I do it here every day is the way that you're going to see it done. Alright, so let that bubble up for a second. While that's happening, I got 2 of water, okay? I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab my spatula. It doesn't matter which one you have. It doesn't necessarily need to scrape. I'm going to grab a dirty one, because it's gonna get dirty anyway. See all that grease and oil that comes up off the top? That's this here, look, just nastiness. Anyhow, now we got that off, okay? We're gonna use a chemical. I'm gonna show you guys 4 different ways to clean this. Today is gonna be this way. You choose to clean it how you want. We clean it this way, and we clean it every way. This is how I learned to do it, by cleaning them every single which one of the ways that you're gonna see. Today's gonna be the quickest and fastest way because I don't have too much time. And what I am doing is filling up my spray bottle, which you're gonna need, and then I'm gonna show you the chemical that I use that's gonna make this top just clean. So this stuff I buy at a restaurant supply store, and it's called glitter. Okay, I'm sure you can find this at Amazon, or on Amazon per se. But if you can't find it on Amazon, Restaurant Depot is the place to go. You have to have an account in order to buy this stuff from Restaurant Depot. All right. Anyhow, I just poured some out of my spray bottle. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the walls. Okay. I'm going to spray the walls around the whole thing. Okay. Just going to spray it. And as you can tell, that grease is already coming right off. Look at that. Okay, this stuff works miracles, you guys. All right, now I'm gonna do the very same thing on the top. Okay, you already see it bubbling up. I'm just gonna spray it. I'm not gonna go heavy, I'm gonna go light, right? But it's gonna burn right into it right away. Okay, just spray it. And as you can tell, if you're looking on this side here, it's already clean. All right, almost with no effort. Well, not with almost, really no effort. Okay, now you want to spray the edges, get everything real nice, soaked up, spray in here, got a little channel, and spray it. Just spray the shit out of it. Alright, now this is the way that you do it with the chemical. Okay, you don't have to do it this way if you're scared that you're gonna die from inhaling it or whatever. I will show you the organic way of doing this in the next video. Same process. It's going to be a little bit more work. Okay, but this is literally the lazy way of doing it. Okay. All right, that's it. The walls are pretty much cleaned up. All right, everything's already done. Now that that's burned up, that 2 water bottles. And by the way, you guys, I didn't use the whole thing of spray. I still have about. I filled it up here, so half left. Okay. So you don't use a lot of it. Now, it's already burned in, okay? I'm simply just gonna pour water on top of it again. And you'll see, it'll start to bubble and literally just clean right off. Okay? Don't put your face directly over this stuff. You don't want to inhale it, obviously. Don't be stupid, right? But as you can see where I'm pouring the water, it's pretty much just cleaned up already. Now, you're gonna need a spatula that has some kind of a scraper end on it, or a sharp edge. If you don't have one, sharpen it in your knife sharpener. Do what you gotta do, all right? Anyways, I have this one, okay? And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna go on ahead and barely even scrape anything, and it moves the water out of the way so I can kind of see if everything's off. And then I'll just scrape it real quick. All right, I can feel there's some there. It has a messed up edge, so I'm digging into my top. But as you can tell, it's pretty much clean, okay, with no effort. All right, now, I'm gonna go on ahead and just check this side real quick. Yep, that's it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a rag, a dirty one, okay? I'm gonna dip it in here, and then I'm just gonna touch the walls up. I'm gonna touch these little sections up real quick. And as you can tell, the chemical is strong, so it cleans everything right off, okay? Be careful, it's really hot, okay? All your little residue that bounces off into this, super easy to clean, like literally effortless. You just wipe and it's done, okay? Same here, okay? Boom, it's pretty much done deal, okay? Now that you got that done, throw this rag out, put it in your little bin with all your rags. You're gonna clean this stuff off, okay? You're gonna take it down, have your bucket ready, your grease bucket to dump all this stuff out in, okay? This is some real nasty stuff, you guys. It's all the grease build up. It's not from all day. We do keep these things clean during the day. We put water on them. We do not use vinegar. Some people use vinegar on them during the day. I don't like using vinegar. Vinegar just stinks, dude, so I won't use vinegar. Okay, that's a big no-no for me. Anyhow. Okay. Dump your tray out. Put some more water on it. You'll start to see that little extra grease and stuff just with the water. Look, it just comes off. Okay. Right there. It's pretty much, just wave everything around. It's pretty much gone already. It's all really nice and clean, right? So, just because you're pouring water on it and it's not evaporating right away, or it's not, you know, coming out, do not believe that this thing is not hot. It is still extremely hot. Do not be an idiot and try to touch that thing while it's hot. Believe me, I was never there, never done it, but don't want to be there, don't want to do it. Any little leftovers here on the edges, go ahead and just pluck them off with this thing. You could just hit it. Nothing crazy. Okay. Those edges right there and stuff, you can hit those. If you really want to be like me, OCD, get it all off. You can. Okay. Now that that's clean, we're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna wipe it down with a wet towel or a wet top. Okay. We have give me a second. We have specific cloths that we use for this thing. They're thick. You want to make sure you wet them with cold water. Okay. I know you guys can't see this, but I'm explaining what I'm doing. I'm literally just cold water. And I'm just gonna wipe the top off. Be careful with these rags, double up, because if you do not, the steam will burn the hell out of you. Okay. Now, we're not done yet. Okay. We were talking about getting this thing looking brand new. It doesn't look brand new to me yet. All right. So now what we're about to do is, you can grab lemon or lime, up to you. Doesn't matter. Okay. They're both acidic, and they are both gonna turn this thing back to its original color. Okay. I usually like to let it sit there for a second. I don't take it off right away, and I do swirl it around the top just so that it can kind of penetrate and get every little crevice. and turn it back to its color. I do it everywhere, okay? So now I'm gonna go on ahead, I'm gonna grab my lemon juice. Okay, and I do mean lemon. Okay, there it is. Alright, cool, I'm gonna pour it down. Okay, be generous. Okay, this stuff's really inexpensive if you get it where we get it from. Okay, and you can instantly see the top start to change colors. Okay, you're gonna get these little areas like that aren't getting hit. Go ahead and just roll it over. Be nice, be gentle. Right, I don't like to spill this shit down at the bottom, guys. Excuse my language. I don't like to spill this stuff down at the bottom there. But there you go. It is pretty much back to its original color. I mean, it is a 5-year-old top, okay? It's not fucking brand new, okay? Or it's not freaking brand new. Alright, so I just swirl this around a little bit, and then all I do after this is, once again, I'll grab that rag and I will dab it, and I will touch up the edges, okay, so that it too can kind of get back to its original color. Okay, and now it's ready. Okay, I'm just gonna take all this lemon off. Okay. There is no need for a scraper, you guys. Not a single need for it. We have one here. We never use the thing, okay? Once that's done, flip this thing over to the nice side. Get the edges real quick. If you don't wipe the lemon off, or the stove top, or the top is too hot, it will start to turn yellow, okay? So you want to make sure that it's nice and cool when you're doing this already. Alright, but there it is. There you have it. A top that is very clean, back to its original state. I will show you guys how we turn something like this one here, which is all dark. I'm saving that for another video. Into this, okay? Now this is a cheaper model, so it doesn't, you know, withstand as much as this one here. If you guys want to know what kind of model this is a Cool-Rite, okay, top. So that's that, man. I wipe everything down with it real quick. I'll pour my water back out into my grease bucket. You guys have to dispose of this properly. If not, most of you who own restaurants already know, you'll get chewed up by the city if you don't do this, okay? Most of the time I like to leave this out overnight, spray some chemical on it, that same stuff, that glitter, and dude, that stuff cleans anything. I've cleaned engine blocks with it, I've cleaned, you name it, I've cleaned it, okay? And it works. So there you go, there you have it. All right, nothing but a few minutes of work. Got you looking brand new, okay? If you guys have any questions, feel free to go on ahead and leave comments. I will go on ahead and answer them to the best of my ability. Once again, man, stay safe. Like and subscribe. It's going to help this channel grow. This is my first video, and this is just going to be a video with total randomness, okay? I'm just going to do random things on there, and yeah, we'll take it from there. All right, you guys. Catch you on the next one.